Hi, boys and girls. So I just wanted to tell you that I had a great time at our Zoom meeting this morning. I especially loved the little dance party at the end. So I hope you had fun with that too. And we will do another meeting later on this week. Right now, I just want to do a little bit of work with you just to keep those brains nice and strong. So I have half of our sight words, and then I have some addition and subtraction facts that I want to do with you. So I'm going to go through them pretty quickly. Here we go. Okay. I hope you got all those. When we get back to school, we want to be able to pick right up where we left off. And so if we keep practicing those while we're on this little break, then we'll be good and ready to get started right away when we get back to school. So here are half of our addition, subtraction. We're going to just do them nice and fast. 3 plus 0, 1 minus 1, 4 plus 4, 5 plus 5, 5 minus 1, 5 plus 4, 5 plus 3, 3 plus 3, 3 plus 2, oops, dropped 1, 3 plus 1, 5 minus 4, 5 minus 3, 2 minus 1, 1 minus 0, 2 plus 0, 1 plus 0, 2 minus 0, 5 minus 5, 4 minus 1, 4 minus 3, 4 plus 2, 3 plus 5, 3 minus 0, and 4 plus 1. Okay, so something new I wanted to try with you today. I'm going to give you some sounds in some words, and I'm just going to give you the sounds kind of segmented out, and I want you to blend those sounds back together and then say what the word is. So if I said a word like dog, or if I said the sounds in the word dog, I would say d, a, g, and then I would want you to put it back together and say dog. So try this one. What word is this? R, a, n. Put it together. What'd you get? Run? Run. All right, how about this one? This is a little tricky because it's got a blend at the beginning. Sn, o. What word is that? How about b, I, k? That has a long I in the middle, so could be a little tricky. How about this? Sk, oo, ul. What word is that? One more. T, e, n. What word is that? Blend those back together. Okay, I have a word ladder for you, but I am not going to tell you which sound to change. I'm not going to tell you which letter to change. I'm not even going to tell you the word that we're going to start with. I'm going to give you clues to each of the words, and you'll have to make the changes and make sure that your new word matches the changes. You're only going to be making one change in each word. So if you start making 2 changes or you change the whole word, stop, because you made a mistake somewhere. Okay, we're only going to make one change each time we go up the ladder. You're going to start with this word. So here's the clue. It's a kind of pet that has 4 legs and a tail and says meow. So that's your first word at the bottom of the ladder, is the name of that pet. Okay, so write that on your bottom rung of the ladder. The next rung, you're going to make a change to that first word. I'm not going to tell you what you're changing, but here's the next clue. The next word is something you use to hit a ball. So you're going to make one change in that first word, and now your new word, the clue is something you use to hit a ball. Okay? Third rung, we are actually going to add a letter this time. I won't tell you where. We're going to add a letter, and you're going to change that word, something you use to hit a ball. And this time the new word is something you take usually before bed so that you can get clean. You take so you're going to make one change, and it's going to be adding one sound. And the clue is something that you take usually before bed to get nice and clean. You take okay, next clue. So now we have 1, 2, 3. This is the 4th word here. We're going to change one sound again. And the clue is, it's a little trail that you walk on. So we're going to change one sound. And the clue is a little trail that you can walk on. All right, we're at the top of the ladder now. We're changing, 2 changes. 2 changes for this one. Oh, can you do it? So the little trail that you can walk on, we're making 2 changes to that word. And this last word at the top of the ladder, it's kind of like a butterfly, but usually not as colorful. Sometimes they're kind of a whitish, grayish color, but they fly, they have wings, so kind of like a butterfly. Top of the ladder. See if you can solve my word ladder without me telling you which sounds to change and which letters to change, just using the clues, okay? Now, I have 2 word problems for you, but they're going to be a missing part or 2 missing part word problems. So if you want to, I drew a little part whole mat there. Can you see that little part hole? If you want to get a piece of paper and draw one of those mats, it could really help you to solve these questions, because you're going to have 2 pieces of information, but you're going to be missing the last piece. So here's the question. There are some cookies in the cookie jar. Now, we don't know how many. So we don't know the whole. So if you're using that part whole mat, we don't know that top part. We don't know the whole. But I ate 3. That's the part. It's the part we took away. I ate 3. There are 5 left. That's the difference. So we know the difference. We have the part, we have the difference. We can use those 2 pieces of information to help us find the whole. Okay, so I want you to figure out how many cookies were in that jar. If I ate 3 and now there's still 5 left, how many were in the jar? Okay, here's another missing part problem. My friend picked some flowers. I picked 2 flowers. We have 6 flowers all together. How many flowers did my friend pick? So, do we know the whole? Do we know how many flowers all together? Together we have 6 flowers. My friend picked some. We don't know how many she picked. And I picked 6. So if we know the, hold on one second. Pick 2, together we have 6. Oh, okay, yeah, we have 6. We do know that whole. You're right. Thank you. I'm getting ahead of myself. I picked 2. We don't know how many my friend picked, but we know my number plus her number is going to give us those 6 altogether. So we're trying to figure out how many flowers did my friend pick. Okay. So I think that's all I have for you today. I really loved hearing about what you've been doing to stay busy. I hope everyone's practicing their writing and using lowercase letters and forming those letters correctly, because we worked so hard on making our handwriting look really nice and ready for first grade. So if you can practice your letters, write your sight words, write me a note, write a note to your friend. I heard a few of you ask your friends if they got their cards. If you would love to send your friend a card, I'm sure mom and dad can help you find their address and mail them a letter, a note. You can be pen pals, even though we can't be together in the classroom. Having a pen pal is kind of cool, and getting a letter in the mail that you can read. Make sure, though, if you do write your friend a note, that you put some spaces between your words, right, Vidhant? Because if you squish your words together, your friend is going to be really confused. So give your friend some nice writing and nice spaces, a period at the end, a capital to start, and that would be awesome. And if you don't get a chance to mail it to them, next time we have our Zoom meeting, you can hold it up and your friend can read it right there at the meeting. So I hope everyone has a great day today, and maybe help mom and dad shovel some of the snow. Spring is coming, but winter is not done with us yet. So everybody have a good day. Take care. Be safe. And I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.